and also across parts of northern England. There's some heavy rain crossing from the west towards the east. And for most of us today, we will see some rain at some stage, and it's fairly cloudy. Already we've been watching the rain in northern and western areas gathering and pushing steadily eastwards. This is the band, and in fact the one behind it as well, that is particularly heavy currently. Weather fronts moving from the west towards the east. We're dominated by low pressure. We've got a brisk northwesterly wind. In fact, with exposure, we could well see gusts around the Outer Hebrides, for example, of 50 miles an hour today. So through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon, the cloud is very much with us. The rain continues to drift eastwards, but it should brighten up across western Scotland and Northern Ireland and northwest England. Having said that, there will still be a few sharp showers around and still that brisk northwesterly wind. Temperatures only 12 degrees in Glasgow, 13 in Belfast. So the rain continues to journey towards eastern England, crossing the Midlands, heading down towards the Channel Islands. Later it will brighten up across West Wales and southwest England. Now temperature range 8 in the north to 13 or 14 in the south. Through this evening and overnight, well, here's our weather front, again taking its rain into the southeastern corner, curling back up through Scotland and in across northern England as well. Still a brisk wind still blowing in those showers, but if we see a clearance in the sky in the northeast for any length of time, temperatures could dip low enough for a touch of frost, but generally we're looking at 7s, 8s and 9s. Now as we head into tomorrow, we start off with our rain in the southeast coming back westwards. We've also got rain coming in across Scotland and northern England, pushing eventually out of Scotland and getting a little bit further south across northern England in through Wales. And then we've got showers as well. The driest conditions tomorrow will actually be in Northern Ireland and Scotland, but even here we can't rule out the odd shower. Temperatures ranging from 10 in the north to about 12 in the south, and still gusty winds. What about Wednesday? Well, it's looking drier for most of us, but we've now got a brisk northeasterly wind coming in from the North Sea. That's a cold direction, blowing in all these showers across eastern areas, but blowing some of them quite well inland. Through the Midlands we could see some. We could see a few in Wales, possibly even as far west as the southwest of England. But they are showers. Not all of us will see them. A lot of us will have a dry day with temperatures between about 10 and 13. On Thursday, for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, under clear skies, we could well start with some frost. Could be a wee bit of patchy mist and fog around, but a lot of dry weather. But you can already see the cloud rolling in across many areas, coming in again from the east. Still some showers. The wind not as strong, but it still is coming from a northeasterly direction. So if you're on the east coast, you certainly will notice that. Temperatures 9 in the north to about 13 in the south. Friday is looking dry for many of us as well. Dan and Lou.
Comprehensive, Carol. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you,
Pleasure.
Carol. So, children in need.